Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Connect your Xbox or DualShock controller via USB or Bluetooth before launching the game. Use a high-quality USB cable for stable input when available. Pair DualShock using Bluetooth in Windows settings when you prefer wireless play. Update controller drivers and set Windows Gamepad to X input when possible. Open Steam Big Picture to enable controller configuration and access community presets. If you use Epic Games Launcher, open Settings and enable controller support there. Restart the game after enabling support to ensure recognition. Open GTA V settings, then Controls, and choose Controller to adjust sensitivity. Navigate to the sensitivity sliders for camera, steering, and braking control. Set dead zone to 1/10 or 0.10 to reduce stick drift and improve accuracy. For steering, adjust sensitivity between 40% and 60% for balanced driving control. Set camera acceleration low if you want smoother aiming during combat. Save your profile and test in free roam for 5 to 10 minutes. Fine-tune based on feel and repeat adjustments until controls feel natural. Use Steam input with community configs when using non-Xbox controllers for the best mapping. Download a controller preset that matches GTA V or edit bindings manually for triggers and bumpers. Lower controller polling rate to 125 Hz or raise to 1000 Hz, depending on your USB adapter and latency. Recalibrate sticks in Windows game controllers or use a third-party app if drift persists. Disable conflicting overlays like Discord or third-party remappers during testing. Keep backups of your config and export settings to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.